everyone. I'm Jamie, and these are my daughters,
Holland
and Harlem. And today we're going to make some brownies. So the first thing we're going to do is make all of the brownie mix in this bowl, and then we're going to be baking it. So do you girls want to help me make brownies? Mm-hmm. All right. So the first thing we're going to do is empty this bag of brownies into this bowl. So first we need to open it up. Okay, Harlem, do you want to pour it into the bowl?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, go ahead. Very good. All right. So the next ingredients we need are 3 tablespoons of water. Okay?
Can I do
this
that?
is a tablespoon. So I'm going to get you some water. And you can measure out 3 tablespoons. Now we're using this might look a little funny, but this is a tablespoon. One side is made for measuring dry ingredients, and one side is made for measuring wet ingredients. So what ingredient is water? Is it wet or dry, Holland?
Wet.
Wet. Okay. All right.
How many?
So we need 3. So that's 1.
Can I do 1 too?
Yes, you can have with the
Do
other
the third
ingredients,
one.
okay?
Okay.
2.
I'll
And we
pour
need
it,
1
though.
more.
I still.
Very good. All right. So the next thing we need is a 1/2 cup of oil. So we're going to pour the water out from here. And we are going to use this glass measuring cup and fill it up to the 1/2 cup line. Okay. So would you like to pour the oil, Harlan?
Mm-hmm.
Let's wipe this down. Okay. So be very careful pouring because it's going to come out fast. Okay.
Can I put which line do
So
I?
we're filling it up to the 1/2 cup. Oh, I'm sorry. Baby.
Where the one is?
Yes.
Right here. Okay. Right here.
There we go. Okay. All right. So now take the oil and pour it into the bowl.
Can I mix?
Yes.
I
All right.
want to mix too. Okay, we can mix. Okay. Hey, you need it.
And now our final ingredient is 2 eggs. So why do you think we're going to crack the eggs into this bowl? Why do you think we're going to crack the eggs into this bowl instead of right into the bowl?
Because it's messy.
It's messy. And why else, Holland?
Because we don't want the shells to get in there, right?
Very good. That's right. All right. So do you each want to crack an egg?
Yeah.
So you take an egg, crack it in there. See, that's why we crack it in here.
That made a big one. Ew! No! I'm gonna go and wash my hands.
Okay, all right. Well, I think we might need to get another egg because the
Crack
egg
it wrong.
ended up on the counter. So here we go. We'll get another egg.
Ew. Why
Here.
did you?
So here. So try to get the egg into
there.
the
Yeah, now you can crack it. Can you hold? Okay, just crack it now.
Okay. There we go.
I'm kind of scared of you.
Oh,
Ew.
that's kind of slimy, huh?
Yeah, kind of.
All right, so let me make sure there's no shells.
Ew.
All right, okay. We'll do the 2 eggs in here. All right. So now, let me clean this up. And now you're going to take your spoon and we are going to stir the batter. So now we're going to we have all the ingredients together, so we're going to mix everything together.
Ready?
Yes.
Hey, you're not letting me have a turn.
You'll have a turn after Holland.
Looks so good.
I think our kitty cat is hungry for some brownies.
Ew!
Do you hear her?
Cats don't like brownies.
Okay, why don't you give Harlem a chance?
Your turn. Okay. This is gonna look so good. Ew, this is naughty.
So we want to mix it up so that all of the powdery chocolate is mixed into the batter. And it's kind of tough. So you might need Mommy to help you out a little bit at the very end, okay?
Okay. Looks so good. We're gonna make a little bit because that's a little bit of a mixture.
All right, so we're gonna finish. Oops, did I just hit you in the head? Gonna finish mixing everything in. All right, so do we want extra chocolatey brownies?
Yes.
Okay, so into our mixed batter, we're going to put about a half a cup of chocolate chips. So can you dish out half a cup?
Hey,
Okay, do a little bit more.
Put it in.
Okay. All right, go ahead. You put that in.
Pour it in. Pour.
Okay.
That's so
And that's here. You do a little bit more. Okay, dump that in. All right. Now stir that around, and we have to have a couple just to taste test. They taste good?
Mhm.
Okay. All right. Now.
Hey, I only had a little.
So now we're gonna mix this together. Get all the chocolate chips in.
Okay.
So our batter is going to go into a 9 by 13 inch glass pan. The bottom needs to be greased. So we're just going to use some cooking spray and spray the bottom.
I'm gonna cut that. Okay.
Okay, keep mixing.
Hey, I want some more because Holland only had a lot and I just had a little.
Okay, let's mix this in, and then we'll get more chocolate chips. Okay, so we want to mix it in so the chocolate chips are spread out throughout the batter. Okay, all right. Now that it's mixed, we're going to take and pour it into our greased pan.
That looks like.
It looks like a lot of chocolatey goodness.
No,
That's what
it
looks
doesn't
like to
look
me.
like that. It looks like diarrhea. It looks like that kind of.
Oh, it does?
Yeah.
Well, hopefully it tastes better than that. Huh?
That looks like icing when it's at the bottom.
Yeah, it does. All right, we're going to scrape out all this yummy goodness because we don't want to lose any in
Any
bowl.
yummy goodness. Can I lick the spoon? Me too. I can help you.
Okay, so spread this out into the pan so that it's
I
all
must
even.
use my fingers. Can I lick the bowl? When the video is over?
Okay, here we go. Very good. All right. We're going to make sure it's all even because we want it to bake evenly. And then we're going to wipe off the excess.
I want to lick.
Okay.
I want.
There we go. And now we have 1 spoon to lick and 1 bowl to lick. And now this pan will go into the oven at 350 degrees for approximately 22 to 25 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into it comes out clean. So now comes the hard part. Now that the brownies are in the oven, we need to let them bake, and then
in the morning we can taste them and then we go to sleep.
that's right. So always a parent should take the hot brownies out of the oven.
Because it's super hot.
It is super hot. And then we will let them cool. And then in the morning, we will have nice chocolatey, chewy brownies.
These look so good. Yum, yum. I don't even know how it tastes. Does it taste good? Yeah, good. Does it taste good or bad? It tastes so good. my goodness. A piece fell off my brownie. Thank you for watching our video. Bye.